Hello, I am Dr. Kamal Goel from Dwarka, New Delhi, India. Before the endoscopes were used in ear surgeries, with the microscope, canal wall down mastectomy was very popular to access the hidden areas. But now, as the endoscope is available and we can see through sinus tympani, facial recess, and all the hidden areas of mastoid, even from backside, we can see the antrum and the attic region with the good micro endoscope use. The canal wall down mastectomy can be avoided in most of the cases. Yes, I do agree that there are certain circumstances and the disease extent where canal wall down is must, but in most we can avoid them. Those people who undergo canal wall down mastectomy, they require whole life constant follow-up. Here is a patient who underwent a canal wall mastectomy at one of the great centers in southern part of India. He came to me in my Dwarka center with a pain in the ear. When I saw there was a big cavity and it was completely filled with wax and the debris. Although the patient was advised, but over the period of time, patient forgot and didn't went for follow-up. This is my humble request to all my ENT colleagues, my seniors and juniors, that do mention on discharge paper that after mastectomy constant follow-up is required depending on the extent and depending on the size of the canal, maybe 3 months to 6 months, so that all the debris and the wax collected can be removed. Please do mention verbally also to the patient and attender the complications which they can have by not coming for constant follow-up. This is the patient who had this trouble. Surgery was done in very good center, but he was in trouble because he didn't went for follow-up. So here I have removed all the wax and the debris in one sitting at my center in Dwarka, Delhi, with the endoscope technique, and I advise to use endoscope in most cases and to avoid canal wall down mastectomy if possible. We are in an era of minimal invasion, so we should try our level best to protect the canal wall. Even if a minimal or certain part of the canal to be removed, please reconstruct it by cartilage. Do tell patient to come for constant follow-up. Keep a check, advice in written as well as verbally. Endoscopic surgery can be one-handed or two-handed. Also, it can be a hybrid with microscope, and it has given a whole lot of scope to remove the disease from all the corners of the middle ear, attic antrum. In my patients where I use hybrid technique and canal wall down mastectomy is done, I advise them to have in constant follow-up of 6 months wherever on planet, to meet a ENT doctor, to get the ear checked, to get the ear debris removed and check the healthiness of the cavity. Even with the mild discharge, sometimes only a short course of antibiotic with ear drops prevents the spread of infection and in weeping cavity. You can check about me on net. My site name is entspecialist.drkamalgoel.com. You can contact me on my mobile number 7532003400, and you can mail me drkamalgoel@gmail.com. Thank you very much.